What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to play the puppet game. I love this game so much. I like Adopt Me more, but let's try to figure out where the keys go. Somebody got killed. Oh, the game is almost over. It's almost over. It's like almost over, so. We can't find anything. We can't find anything to escape. Alright, guys, we are going to go into a new map. Sorry, it was a little bit short, you know. It was a little bit short. Yeah, we didn't. Well, they didn't win. Like I just joined I joined like a 50. Like it wasn't even. Okay, so we are already in. I'm just. I am waiting. I am waiting still. Alright. Let's pick house. I'm picking house. Bruh, seriously? Oh, never mind. Never mind. It's fine. It's fine. It's really fine. Oh, everybody picked bot. Cool. Awesome. So, we're gonna load in the game now. It's just a little short. Like it's like a little, you know, commercial, kind of a tiny commercial, like, you know, before it starts. Everybody has to watch it, and after when you watch it, this little tiny commercial, and it lets you go in the game. I am pretty good at escaping, so. Alright, let's go get some keys. Guys, I was waiting, like, it was like it was almost over, so I waited. I got a hammer. I'm definitely gonna use that. Okay, we need a hammer. Okay, the killer's coming. What does he look like? Oh, he looks like a green. He looks green. Yep, he's coming. I'm gonna go upstairs. I already did the planks on the door, on the escape door, so. Somebody just died. He killed one person so far. I don't get any key. I hear the killer. I hear him. So he might actually be coming like he might. Is he coming here? No, he doesn't. He's not coming from here. I hear the killer opening a door. So I think he's probably upstairs. He's probably upstairs or down. Oh, he's downstairs. I'm trying to figure out, but I think they already got the, the key. Okay, I'm not going down. What? How did he kill 3 people? What? He killed 3 people now. What in the world? He killed 3 people. What? Okay, we just voted a bot. Oh, we vote. It was voted bot. Yeah. Bot was chosen. It says bot was chosen. I see somebody getting chased by the killer, by a bot. So I'm trying to find some keys, but I don't see anything. Oh, I'm gonna grab the green book. What? Okay, 4 people died. So like, there's probably, I don't know how many people, but probably not a lot. Probably a couple, a little. Oh no! He probably wanted to get killed, or he probably had to be. He probably had to be right back. No! Now he's chasing me. I don't like it when puppets chase me, but I don't like it when I get chased. Oh, he's not coming? Okay. I am going to go downstairs. I'm trying to go where the book goes. Oh, great. He killed 6 people. No, he did not. He killed 6 people. Yep. Oh, great. I don't want to be the only one person. I don't want to be the only person left. Oh! No! No! Wait, I'm the only one left? No! Oh no, not again. No! Go away! Get away from me! No! I'm the last one. There's no way I can survive this. Let's try to survive. Okay, I don't see anything. Oh, I need a There's nothing here. There's no wrench there, and there's a blue key, and there's a hammer. I'm gonna go back downstairs. Maybe there's something maybe there's something, I missed downstairs. I'm gonna shut the door on him. Yoki? I already did the Yoki. Oh! Thank you so much for letting that killer chase her. Oh, no. Oh, okay. She's getting distracted. Oh, good. The red book goes upstairs. Let me go upstairs and check. I'm gonna go check. She's helping me as well. She's trying to find some stuff. I'm gonna go check. Let's see if there's a red thing up here. If there's no red book missing up here. I already got it, but it has... You gotta be kidding me. What? Great. Now the killer's gonna come after me, so... I hope somebody comes. That's not here. Nobody here. He's right there. Nope. He's right there. Shoot. Let me go downstairs and see if I can find a good, red book. Red book missing. Oh, that's good. Okay, got a red book. Another person spawned. Yay. Oh, it needs a wrench. It actually needs a wrench. Okay, I'm gonna go look for a wrench. No! Okay. They did not die. They're still alive. There's 2 of them alive, so. Not here. Nope. The puppet tried to corner me. That's not gonna happen. Oh, phew. Okay. No. Go away. Okay. What do we need next? I'm gonna go see what do we need next. The only thing we need is a wrench to get those 3 things, and then we can escape. Oh no, I don't see the wrench. I don't see the wrench anywhere. She has it! Come on, let's go. She's gonna go do some stuff. No, get away! Get away from me. I'm trying to make sure they don't lose. But we're all gonna lose, so. Please, hurry! Hurry! Oh no. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. No! We didn't make enough time. Okay, guys, I will stop. I'm gonna stop right here. If you liked the video, subscribe and hit the bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.